Hi, I am Gabrielle Taylor, and I'm going to be doing homework 1, part D. So for what we did for homework part C, we're going to do in Excel. So I pulled up an Excel blank document. So first thing we want to do is we want to import our files in our CVC file. I think folders. Water, CSV. Okay, so let's just copy this from our CSV file. This is going to be our data points. And then let's go back to our Excel. Okay. Then let's paste. Okay, so next I'm going to label our data points. So I'm going to label this T for our pressure, our temperature, and then this one's going to just be our pressure. Okay, so the goal is to minimize. So like we did in our Python code, we're going to do the same thing here. So what we need to do is we need to get a model, and we need to do our model, and then we need to do with some error. Over here, I think I can just put it in G. Let's put our A dot B dot C's. Okay, and like how we like best or minimize, we're just gonna guess again. So like 10 dot, this is gonna be like 2000 dot, and then like negative 36 dot, like I did before. Oh, not that. Okay. And not that. Okay. Okay. So then, so we have the A, B, and C. So we're going to need this for our model. So I want to make this A equal 10. I want this B to equal that. And I want to use this like actual like variables. I don't want to use the cell number. So if you go into formulas, you can create from selection. And then you just, here, you have to copy this like that. Formulas, go to create from selection, and then make your left column the names. And so like if I said equal C, it should equal, okay. If I say this equals C dot equals 36, negative 36, which is what I want. So let's delete that and let's work on our model. So our model is going to equal, model is 10 to the A minus B dot divided by RT plus, not RT, sorry, R plus C dot. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so then you just double click, and then give us our numbers for our model. And then our next one is going to be our error. So just like our error. Yeah, just say like our error. And this is like, yeah, it's just our regular error. So we can't do like the sum squared error. We have to do it separately. So let's just do a regular error. And then this, oh wait, let's just do squared error. Sorry, let's say square error. Yeah, square error. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wanna subtract our pressure in our model and then square that, right? Like we did in our Python code. So then, oh, oopsie. Sorry, I was thinking that it was Python. We need this one, and then our model. is this one, and then you need parentheses. That should be good. And then just double click down. So this gives our square error. So what we're going to want to do, we need a sum squared error. So let's do sum error. Yeah, sum error. Sum error. Okay, so sum error is going to equal, so it's going to equal sum of just our d colon d, and this is going to give us our sum of the entire list of this. So that's good. And now we just want to minimize it. So what do we want to minimize? We want to minimize our sum squared error. So we can go to data, then we can go to solver. Okay, so set objective, we want to minimize this. So minimize it, and then by changing the variables, so by changing these, we want to minimize it. Yeah, let's take that out. That's off. And then just hit OK. And then voila, this is our minimizing error. Go sheet 2, and this is going to be our part, the second part, and this is going to be making a matrix. So what we want to take over from this is just, we're going to take over our data points like so. Control C, and then Control V. And then let's make T again, because T is going to be the first on our column. So, and then this equals A2. And then our next one is going to be negative log of pressure. So let's just say negative log P, negative log P. Okay, so this one's going to be just equal the negative of log. I think you have to do base 10. Let's do base 10 of B2. Negative log, yeah. Yeah, okay. And then, there you go. Then our next one is going to be just like, we don't have to do ones because this one fills in for it. And then our next one is going to be our, what's the word? It's going to be our y. So our y is going to equal, it's going to be t. So this is going to be t. This is going to be log, the t log of the pressure. And it's not negative. So this is going to equal a, is that the right syntax? And then log of pressure. I think that should work. Huh. What's the multiplication sign? Oh, log base 10. B2, there it goes. Okay, we got it now. So that is it. So then we bring it down, and this is going to be our y. So what we find is we go to our data, and then we go data analysis, and we are going to be solving for a regression because we're doing a multi a multilinear regression. So this one's gonna be our y. So we want to go with y here. So our y input, and then our x input, is our two columns right here. And we can have both columns. And then we don't want constants as 0 and output range. Let's just like put the output range like right here. So yeah, let's do that. Okay. Okay. So this has given us this is our A, this is our B, this is our A, this is our C, and this is our D. So we found it. And that is the end of our Excel code. So thank you so much. Bye.